to another video. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot. Just busy. Nutcracker's over. It was great turnout. Fun. So, this is the Halloween, the Christmas event going to be out Friday. Like, everything going to be out Friday, December 9th. There's a bunch of gifts you can find as a quest. I found 3 of them. You have the different chests. We got the new festive chest with a bunch of new skins and stuff like that. Pretty cool. But yeah, so we have the prize wheel over here. You can get a bunch of different stuff here. Let's see what we got. So we got the top holiday coin, hairbow, all the stuff. So the holiday coins are going to be the different currency. So you have the tickets and then you have the coins, which is going to be nice. So it's 2 different currencies. So I'm pretty excited about that. That's pretty nice. And then I have a bunch of the stuff I really want. I have gotten 3 of the holiday eggs so far. I have gotten 2 snowmen and 1 of the golems. I really want to get one of the foxes, if that's a possibility. I think it is. But I'm super excited about that. Also, I really want to get one of the heads. In 4 days, the boss is coming out, which is cool. I'm excited for that. Really excited. I'm ready. Hopefully, it's not like the Fallen King, where it's just, like, absurdly difficult. I mean, it was... You could beat it, but it's hard. Yeah, so this is the obby. The ice is slippery, so if you dash forward and then just stop. So hold your cursor forward and then just stop. Like, take your thumb off, like, instantly as soon as you go over the ice. Or sometimes that happens. But if you're playing on computer, hold, like, forward, I'm pretty sure. And then as soon as you get over, just let go. And then, yeah, and then try and do that every single time. So dash, yeah, do that. This is really difficult. I had a hard time for my first run through of the obby, but once you get it, sometimes it's kind of tricky. Like, sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. If you don't line up properly, then that happens. It's a difficult obby. I'll say that. I'm just dying over and over again. What are we gonna title this video? We're gonna call it me struggling for 7 hours. Yep. 7 hours. Totally 7 hours. I'm not gonna clickbait. I'm just gonna say,
What's on?
Huh? What? Oh God. Burping. Yeah. Oh my God. I keep hiccuping. Okay. My sister's being weird. So sorry. Whatever. God, hiccup. Do it. Water. It's just gonna me hiccuping like for 5 minutes. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, I'm done. Why? I don't understand. What?
Not that fast.
Excuse me. That was... Oh God, I keep... it's the hiccuping. Oh my God. So then when you get here, there's a gift right there under the tree. It's kind of cool, the town. Whoosh. Sorry. So, yeah, that's it. Bye.